Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 26th of January with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tech Markets. Let's look at euro dollar now, and the euro has, this is on the intraday hourly chart, the euro has sort of formed support around that $1.11 big figure level. And it's rebounded quite strongly now. It's up almost around about 140 pips up from where that low has been. Interesting. I'll just drag you a chart in here that I have shown you previously, but this is the big downside. If you zoom out, sorry, that is a big 100% Fibonacci projection of a big bear market move that we saw in 2011 to 2012, and that's 1093 is the low on that. And today overnight we've had a low of 1098, only 5 pips away from that. So it does seem to be that could well be an interesting point to make. So that is 100% Fibonacci projection level of that move. Now, okay, so back on the intraday chart, we've got this intraday resistance 1288. That is the first barrier that this move needs to get through. Until it gets through that, it's probably just a little bit of a sort of a knee-jerk reaction to the upside. Nothing majorly more than that. It's just unwinding all this oversold momentum that has built up. Obviously this has been the big move since the ECB announced its latest easing measures on Thursday, and it certainly seems to be just unwinding a bit of that oversold momentum. There is a slight bullish divergence, you would argue, on the RSI, Stochastics, and MACD lines, but I don't think that's enough yet to suggest, oh, this is going to be a major technical rally. I think at the moment it's just, as I said, just unwinding some of this this bearish momentum that we had, and I'd be looking at this initial 1288 level on this chart as where we'd see the rebound potentially moving towards. If it can get above that, then yes, it does complete this little base pattern, and that would actually target a move back towards this old breakdowns. Old support becomes new resistance around that 1460 level. So you may well see a bit more of an upside move, but as I said, I still think that you'd be definitely looking out for rallies as a chance to sell. This is on the daily chart. You can say there's nothing really there that would suggest that anything other than an unwind back towards maybe the 30 area on the RSI is going to be what we're seeing, and that could give you a nice little opportunity to sell maybe around that 1460 mark again, which is that older low from a couple of weeks ago. But at the moment we are seeing a little bit of a rebound in the euro, but I don't expect it to go too much further, but I would be keeping an eye on any opportunities to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on the euro, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.